I give you a kiss. Okay, thank you. Alright. Ha ha. I give you a kiss. Silly puppy.
You goofy girl.
So we're just looking up some places to go stay. Hopefully for a few days would be great. So he's got to call this place because they're, what, it's a government run or something?
It's like a state park, yeah, or a county park.
They're not very like tech savvy, so you got to call the old-fashioned way to book.
Yeah, your pencil and your paper. We were kind of looking for today through Tuesday. He goes, if you can get here in an hour, he goes, I got a spot for you. He said, if you're that small, he goes, I can squeeze you in somewhere.
Oh, that tastes like I put a ton of maple syrup in there. And I put way less than I normally do. I think it's time to reduce that even more.
Imperio Reducto.
It's like fridge Jenga. Trying to get stuff in and out of here. Put my contacts in. This is scary. Alright, question of the day. I want your opinion on something. We're not sure if this is sexist or not. But the women's washroom has a scale, and you put a quarter in, you can weigh yourself, and then you get your lucky lottery numbers. You know, it's probably geared towards truckers. So I'm thinking, okay, that's cool. That makes sense for a truck stop. And then I asked Scott to see if they have one in the men's washroom. Maybe he wants to weigh himself. And they don't have one. I did weigh myself, but I had my clothes on, and the number was really scary. But not really surprising. And it makes me wonder, like, if I had weighed myself at the beginning of the week before the potato reset, how bad that number would have been. I'm not ready to share that just yet. You're a turd. Well, you're so cute. I can't say no. Brat. Little stuffy baby. Seemed like it struggled to switch gears there. Yeah. Like whoa, whoa. More than normal.
Well, I'm not really pushing it either. I'm trying to chill with this shit that we said.
Van just did like a thing. Like it felt like we were going over a bumpy road, but it felt like it was coming from inside the van and not because of a bumpy road, you know what I mean? It's kind of weird. What, is the water bug?
Can't go in there.
I want to go in there, bug. Yeah, you'll get eaten by a gator. Gator would be like, breakfast. Easy breakfast. Well, I don't hear it anymore. Oh, look at that. There's, holy shit, there's pink flamingos out there.
Oh, cool.
Pink flamingos. What? I've never seen them. I've only seen the plastic ones. June, it's okay. He just went to go pay for something. Looks like a success. I see a yellow ticket in his hand and paperwork.
And it was $87.39.
For how many?
We're out of here Tuesday at noon.
Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night. So 3 nights?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. Yeah.
Alright, let's see what I got here. So I got a bunch of leftover red potatoes and broccoli. Not sure what I want to do with this. I kind of wouldn't mind shredding, but these are really small. I might just mush these up and just throw them on the panini press. Okay, last time I used this thing, I put it on low. This time I'm gonna put it on medium. Broccoli? Yum yum. Alright, it's been about a half an hour on medium. Let's see how she's doing. Ooh, some of it's sticking. Definitely has a nice crunch to it. It looks like. I think that'll do it. Here's my breakfast. This does not look like very much food. I mean, this is a pretty big bowl, but still. This is really good. Really good with the potato cheese sauce. Yeah. I could eat twice that much. So what I'll probably do is eat this now, go for a little walk, go have my shower, and as soon as I'm hungry again, I'll make another one of these. Hi. Oh, was that door? Hi. Alright, here is lunch. Lots of potato cheese sauce and some more potatoes. Everything I got is left over right now, so I'll have to cook a new batch for dinner. And I topped it with Betsy's Table Tasty and a little bit of the Herba Mare sea salt.
So today I've just been doing batch cooking. Janine's been working and I've been prepping food and walking dogs. We took showers, so it's been kind of a busy day. Met the neighbors, are cool. So that's what's going on.
I think our pressure cooker didn't like us using it like 3 times in a row. It says burn! So I opened it and potatoes are cooked. I just don't know what I'm gonna find on the bottom. Oh, it ran out of water. Did you measure a cup?
I usually fill it to the line of the wire thing.
How many minutes did you put it in here for?
10.
Weird. It's all scorched. Hopefully that's not ruined. Sweet potatoes look very pretty. Today's a potato smorgasbord for dinner. Got russet potatoes, red potato, purple potato, and we also have the Hannah sweet potato, which I don't know. It's a texture or something that I don't like about sweet potatoes, but I will have some.
To me, they have like a caramel.
Caramel. We down in the south say caramel. It's caramel. Some people say soda, some people say pop. I always thought it was like Canadian versus American.
Some people say Coke. Oh, just give me a Coke.
Yeah. Could I have a Coke, please? Oh, what kind? That's just weird. Weird. Caramel. Well, I like the flavor of sweet potatoes. I just don't like the texture or something. I don't know what it is. You know what would be really good if you cut them all up, put them in a pan, and then blowtorch them. Because then they're like marshmallow ice.
Flambe.
Yeah. Well, I had an eggplant like that at a fancy restaurant. It was really good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, are you ready? Are you ready for your dinner?
Serve it up.
Is this for you, madam? I don't think so. You a sucky girl? Yeah, you got long face on. You look like you're ready to go to bed and get snuggles. You gotta make the bed first. Which means you gotta move.